Yeah, so I figured I'd take you on a quick little ride with me on my way into work this morning. Just to talk about a couple of things. Main thing being primarily the upload frequency. I'm trying to stay around an upload a week, just because I feel like that's something that I could easily do to keep you guys happy and to kind of keep a promise to myself on my upload consistency with the kind of revitalization of the channel. Now, specifically now in the winter, I'm struggling to find, you know, good videos to make because I don't want to just throw out slop. I feel bad. Nice job, guy. You know, when the summer comes along, I'm gonna do a bunch of POV videos with the bike and with the Saab and working on those. I feel like that's kind of easier, kind of self-explanatory stuff for me to make. But right now in the, you know, middle of winter, I don't have real access to the Saab or my bike. I have the Golf, but I'm not really gonna tinker with this the way I would with the other cars. So I was thinking of doing something along the lines of like mini interviews, where I grab my buddies or people I know and talk with them about their cars, their bikes. You know, just basically do little mock interviews. Well, not mock, because I'd actually be interviewing them. Is that something you guys would want to see? I figured it'd be pretty simple to make. Wouldn't be anything crazy. I just want to get these lapel mics to help record audio a bit easier, especially for like an interview format. I think it would be nice. Some people are terrified to drive in the snow. That's hilarious. This guy's gonna cut me off. No, sir. But yeah, these lapel mics I want to get. I shouldn't really call them lapel mics. They're wireless mics. They're called the DJI Mic Minis. It's basically a transmitter bit that you plug into what you want to record to, and then there are two little microphones that send their signal to the transceiver or the transmitter to capture the audio. I feel like that would be very beneficial to have filming outside, just because I have my nice Yeti microphone, but that's really just good for at home in the studio recording after the fact. Like my last couple of videos when I was doing voiceovers, it was all through the Yeti, and that sounded pretty okay to me. But fact of the matter is, I can't just yank that thing outside. That's a big part of my computer setup, so I don't want to be pulling that in and out, in and out. I feel like that would be a huge pain in the ass. Plus, the mic mini would be something that I could use for the moto vlogs that I want to do in the future, where I could have one inside the helmet to capture my voice, and then I could have one maybe in like my back pocket or something to record the audio on my bike. I feel like that would be the way to go. Is that Lou? Louis! That's Lou, my roommate. He's got the right idea. This guy's slow as fuck. Oh my god, guys, it's snow. Just put your snows on. I hope all of you guys that are watching this that live up here in the Northeast have your snow tires on. That's a big thing. People are like, oh, I don't need snows, I'm gonna go with my all seasons. Kinda. You can maybe get away with it if you got the right car. But really, snow tires aren't just for the snow, they're for these colder temperatures. So if it is cold out and you don't have snow tires, your tires are gonna be hard and they're not gonna be malleable to the surface of the road the way a proper snow tire is. which is why I'm confident driving 55, 60 miles an hour on this slightly snow-covered road, because I know I got the right tires for the surface. Just the same way F1 drivers, they swap their tires out based on conditions. I was also thinking of doing like commentary style videos, or not really commentary, but just kind of like video essays. I always thought they were pretty interesting. I got a little green screen set up to where I could be funny guy talking over a video clip that's playing in the background. First idea that I had that came to mind was talking about the Saab performance team. I don't know if any of y'all know what that is. If you do, cool, you're a cool guy. But it's basically like Saab's little stunt show team that they had. If you guys want a video on that, let me know in the comments. Also, feel free, if you have any suggestions on stuff you'd like to see me do, feel free to leave a comment here. I'm 100% open to your suggestions. At the end of the day, I am a servant to the people. I want to do what you guys want to see, to, you know, obviously some extent. I'm not going to be like, Jared, blow up your fucking Saab, crashing into a tree. No, like, that doesn't make sense. But reasonable stuff, like, hey, I want to see a video of you talking about this. I want to see your opinion on that. You know, that I'm very much open to. Yeah. I need caffeine. Now there goes Louis to take his turn. Does he happen on the northway? No? What? I gotta get in this lane anyway. Also, if you see these lights on my dash, I believe it's just from salt and snow covering some of my park sensors. Or as Lou up here would like to say, oh, someone didn't pay the Volkswagen subscription. They're gonna turn off your heated seats next. That's nothing crazy though. Bye, Lou. What do you guys think about gameplay commentaries too? That was another thing I was thinking of, is some games I've been playing recently are COD Zombies. I've been having a lot of fun hopping back on. I mean, I've got my gripes with the Tomb, the new Zombies map, the Tomb, but gameplay feels really fun. Like, honestly, for me, it replaces, if you guys play Black Ops 6, the Tomb, for me, personally, kind of replaces what I did with Liberty Falls, where if I wanted a serious game of zombies where, you know, I got some guys together for the first time in ages, and we're like, yo, we're gonna run some zombies like we did back in the day, we'd hop on like Terminus and have a fun game of zombies. But like, if I just wanted to chill out, maybe grind some camos, or, you know, I just wanted to shoot zombies, I just hop on Liberty Falls. But the Tomb, it's got so much more of that atmosphere to where I want to hop on there and play it, because it reminds me of what Zombies was, where it's just got, it's dripping with atmosphere and aura. Sure, the map's small and simplistic, but like, take Kino. I'll make the my rationale here with the tomb. I'll compare it to Kino. Kino der Toten. No intro cutscene, no outro cutscene, no Easter egg, no crazy quest. You just had a small map with a great atmosphere, a good wonder weapon. The thunder gun was amazing. A good Easter egg song. The tomb also has all of this stuff. And it's got a boss fight, which is challenging for the first time in a long time. The weapon, the wonder weapon upgrade quest for the staff, and even getting the staff isn't the easiest thing. Like Citadel, the last map that came out, that was just kind of a breeze. You could be halfway retarded to fucking get one of them swords. You just kill one zombie and you got the base wonder weapon. Like, yeah. So I feel like the tomb is in a right direction gameplay wise. Narratively, different story. Get these actors back in the booths, sign their AI protection pieces of paper, and move on. Like, Black Ops 6 was hyped up to be a huge narratively focused game, and if we're not having the characters have any new dialogue in a map, something's wrong. You know, that's not right. But yeah, I've just been playing some Tomb, chilling out, trying to come up with new videos to make, ideas. But yeah, please leave your input if you would in the comments. Let me know on some stuff you'd like to see. Do you like just this kind of vloggy type content? Or it's just like a day on my way to work? Because I want to stay consistent with uploads for you guys. Because I feel like I owe it to you after being on here for this many years and not actually doing it. I want to do it this year. I've got so much I want to do over the summer, but like until then, I need to come up with things to make until it's nice out and I could be outside all the time. Not saying I can't right now. I'm just kind of a huge pussy. Unless it's skiing, I don't want to be out in this cold. Like, and that's just the truth. If I'm not skiing, I don't want to be out in this snow. So, working on my cars, go making, maybe review videos are a little bit different, but yeah, I don't want to be out in the cold. It sucks. As soon as I get out of work, I just want to be back inside. So, ladies and gentlemen, that does it for today's video. I hope you have a great Friday. Hope you have a happy Valentine's Day if you guys are celebrating. Yeah, stay warm out there. Leave ideas in the comments for stuff you want to see. What do you think of this GoPro stuff? I hope it's, you know, nothing super crazy for you. But that'll do it for me today. I will see you all later.